manlaba. Let's hand washing because no water in the here in our country. So muadto ta sa tabay kay manlaba. Amot sa English tabay. Sa kabaw. So let's put this one bleach because too much dirty. Need to put bleach, too much dirty. You know, no water here at home because of what is earthquake. Until now, you know, the earthquake is September 31, 30 or 31, I don't know. And then now is October. I don't know what's date today. Basta October, end of October or almost end of October now. You know, until now always aftershock. Always aftershock. Very scary. So nervous. Magkuha mi tubig kay sa tabay. Naligo mi kay sa tabay. The grepo deposit no water because of the sani. Because of the earthquake. I have water, little bit only, no? Always go to the, what is this? I go to the tabay. In English. Dogs barking. I have only wild dog here. Too much dirty. And then my nose is runny nose. Always crying, no? My dog is very noisy. Noisy. The dog is very noisy. This very pain in my hand, the bleach. Ay! Ay, too much. Ay! Need to put bleach, too much dirty. Inday, not here. There, in upstairs. Go to the piggy. And then I am only alone here. Kasi laundry the clothes. You know, it's very dirty. See, if you see, brown. Too much dirty. That's why I need to put bleach. washing like this because I budget the water because no water, no. I have to budget the water. Need to make it like this. Kasi budget the water. I have to budget the water. We didn't dirty this one, no? Need to budget far away the tabay. So, I don't know. Very thin. Ouch. Hey. It's very annoying, no? If you have Araninos, he always like this. Look like always crying. It's very difficult and very hard to living, no, without water. Very important the water. If you know water, you know it's better no electricity. Better no electricity than no water. You know, very important the water. If you don't have water, you cannot drink and you cannot cook. You cannot cook rice and everything. The electricity is it's okay if you know electricity, you can't buy. If you have money, you can't buy kuan kani nga aning kasulat in English solar, no, you can't buy solar. It's very hard to speak English, guys. Very hard to speak English, you know. Uy. This one. Wait a minute, I get some powder. I have a lot of laundry cloth, no? Dirty cloth, I have a lot. And then, it's very difficult to laundry the cloth without water, no? No water. They have a water, but only limited. There is water, but limited only. You have to budget, no? You have to budget the water. Also my detergent, I have to budget because only little bit, you see. I have a lot of laundry cloth, but dirty cloth, but my powder is so little, so little only because I cannot buy now because no store here. You have to go to city to buy the detergent. There is a washing machine, but you cannot use the washing machine because you have to use a lot of water of washing machine, you know. So that's why I make it hand wash only because you can budget the water because very limited the water here. You know what my feeling in the day when is this lindol by earthquake. I very nervous and you know very stressed. Always every day aftershock, every day, maybe one in every day, maybe there is 4 aftershock every day until now. You know? Until now. Last week, there is aftershock there. Too much strong. 6 point, maybe 6.0 or, oh yeah, 6.0 aftershock from repeat. I am very nervous. Yeah, so scared and so afraid. You know, I'm 33 years old now. For the first time, I experienced like that earthquake very strong. 6.9, and then almost, no, until now, aftershock, also every day aftershock, you know. so so nervous because every day aftershock when you sleep, there is aftershock when you wake up. So scared, you know. There is always aftershock, and then when I sleep and then I wake up because of aftershock, I feel so nervous and I cannot sleep until morning. Very hard. Apoy mag-English, guys. Sula sa to ko English, ano ko ba usat akong giyaw-yaw. Very sorry of my English because my English I don't know. Very hard to speak English. I would like to sing worship song, but this is a Bisaya, no, Cebuano song. Simbahon ka. You know my voice, you know. You see my voice. It's different than before because see like this. Napaus ko ba? Yeah? I cannot shout strong because my voice is, I don't know, I never gayon. So I would like to sing. This is worship song. Bisaya, Cebuano. Simbahon ka, halaran ka, sa tanang panahon po Diyos. Balaan ka, ug takos sa tanang mga adlaw. Bayawon po ang ngalan mo, kalipay ko gibag-o mo. Pinitik ang duhan ko, ihalap ko kanimo. Jesus, paglaok ka, matinumanon ka, tuburan sa kinabuhi. O Diyos, hala, simbahon ka. Ito dahil, sayop po guys. Simbahon ka sa tanang panahon, O Diyos. Balaan ka, takos ka sa tanang mga adlaw. Bayawon ko ang ngalan mo, kalipay ko gibag-o mo. Pinitik ang duhan ko, ihalad ko diha kanimo. Patiag na mo Jesus, paglaong ka, matinumanon ka, tuburan sa kinabuhi.